G'day, my name's Tomo and welcome back to another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups. On this episode, we're talking about the dry suspension setup for the front top control arm bump stop. So as you can see, there are two different types here in front of me. So we have the single threaded section here, which is one type, and then the other type has two threaded sections. Now, why are they different? Well, different cars run different setups. So depending what you have, you will need to make sure you choose the right one. If you're unsure, make sure you contact the team at Minisport and they'll help you choose which is the best one for you or what is fitted to your vehicle. Now, these are completely different to a wet suspension, so this is only designed for a dry suspension. So you can do a conversion and fit one of these to one that has hydroelastic suspension. However, you need to make sure that you choose the right one for you. Now, the reason why these are important to make sure that they are fitted and they are not completely worn out is because this is what limits the top control arm overextending and damaging any suspension components. Failure to have this fitted or one that is fitted that is heavily worn or damaged will cause the shock to overextend, therefore punching the guts out of it and then destroying your shock and keeping you on the side of the road and not at home nice and safe. So they are fairly easy sort of thing to do. You can do it with the suspension together in the car or with the subframe, completely removed from the vehicle. That is a job that you will need a bit of time to do, and the right tools will make it that much easier. So make sure to check out that full range at minisport.com.au, and we'll see you right here on another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups.